curious about operator checklists in Hexagon EAM? Well, the operator checklist functionality allows for associating checklist items to equipment without the need for creating a work order. These checklists can be processed on the operator checklist screen. Let's look at an example together. From the work menu, navigate to Additional Features, Operator Checklist, Operator Checklist. On the Operator Checklist screen, you'll first need to enter or select a piece of equipment. Then you'll need to enter or select a task plan. Once the equipment and task plan have been entered, you can proceed with clicking Create Checklist. This will populate the checklist in the bottom half of the screen. I recommend collapsing the top section just to maximize the checklist items as you're completing the checklist. So if I go through here and I complete our checklist, and I'm going to go ahead and save my checklist. We can then update the operator checklist. So in the header section, there are two buttons. Can either move to complete or move to cancel. The move to complete can be set up to keep the operator checklist in an unfinished, review, or complete status. The status can be defined for each equipment class and task plan and is set up by a system administrator on the screen setup. Mine is set up to update to review. So if I go ahead and click Move to Complete, I would then have an opportunity to review the operator checklist. So let's go to the Review Operator Checklist screen, which is available from the Work menu under Additional Features, Operator Checklist, Review Operator Checklist. By default, the system will display all of the operator checklists awaiting review, but you do have the opportunity to change the data spy if you would like to look at all records. So here for our operator checklist, I have an opportunity to review the checklist results and if necessary, proceed with creating a follow-up work order or deferred maintenance activities. Now, if I'm ready to complete the operator checklist, it's just a matter of changing the status. So I can simply change the status from review to complete, and then go ahead and save. There is an operator checklist tab on the equipment screen. So I have the equipment field hyperlinked. So if I go ahead and navigate to our equipment record, you'll see that there is a tab available that will list all of the operator checklists for the piece of equipment. You can simply double-click on a record to view the checklist results. Please note that operator checklists are also available on both the Hexagon EAM offline and digital work applications. Please reach out to the Digital Thinker team if we can help your organization implement operator checklists. Have a wonderful day.